guys, this is your girl Angie Herenick. I am the queen of cuisine. I'm here at Family Worship Center. We're here preparing dinners for our church members this evening. Let's go take a look and see what the ladies are going to be making. I know what I'm going to be making tonight, but let's see what they're doing tonight.
French baked salmon with a creamy veal sauce. And creamy pesto chicken, cheddar grits. You want a slaw and garlic cheddar bacon.
Awesome, that's going to sound delicious. We have Miss Sue. She's over there helping out as well. Miss Sue, what are you doing over there? Are you handling the basil or the thyme? She's doing this time. She's just doing time right now. Miss Levina, and what are you working on over there?
I am working on the slaw.
Working on the slaw.
Yes.
Awesome. Brianna and Miriam, what are you guys up to over there?
Here, chopping up some butternut squash with the roasted vegetables.
Awesome! All a team effort in here, ladies and gentlemen, preparing a meal for our lovely church membership. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get started in making my Ameretti Cookies, and I have 6 cups of almond flour here, some granulated sugar, 12 tablespoons of confection sugar, as well as a reserve of 1 cup to coat the cookie, half teaspoon of salt, 4 egg whites, and a teaspoon of almond extract. So let's get busy. Scoop it out first, and then we'll cook. Okay, now I'm just shaping and rolling the dough. And then I dip it into the powdered sugar mix and just toss. Just toss like that. Put it right on the tray. And then once it's on the tray, I have my cookie press to create the shape that I like. So here we go. There it is! Yay! I'm going to finish up the rest, and then I'll show you when they're finished. Right here, I'm going to break it at 325 degrees for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. Yum! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Our meal for tonight. We have some cheddar biscuits and cheddar grits, along with the roasted vegetables, baked salmon, and the pesto chicken. Everything looks absolutely amazing, and I'm sure it's quite tasty.
Just bite it.
Awesome. Okay, everybody, say hello from Family Worship Center. Hey guys, come and visit us soon for a good meal. Thank you, ladies. It's been fun. Thanks.